Dali, dali, dali. Grupo, 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 grupo. Kasi yung araw talaga, nandun sa loob. Dito na po yung train, nagtutulog na.
Normally Saturdays.
Ang dami.
Not exactly, but normally I travel a lot.
Ha? Okay. Inulan.
Kasabay tayo dyan?
This is the bus. Ano? Yes. Ay, hindi mao. Ito pa sa unahan. Kaya malamig kasi na ulan-ulan pa.
Dagdag sa ano yan? Pambababa ng temperature.
Correct.
Yeah. And then from here we just have a small tours around the cities of. Oh, yeah, first time. Okay, so this is the gentleman. He already explained to some of you, diba? Because it's a group activities. The visa, our visa is quite strict. It's a kind of group visa. So I mean that like today, like so please helping us. So we are one team, diba? So let's coordinate together and let's keep an eye for. Let's go back. So that's why helping us. Remember our electrified fence. This the fence and the river. We have a river between Hong Kong and Shenzhen, and then when you cross the river, the other side belongs to Shanghai, new territories. So this is mainland China. When you come to the immigration enter, many things is different. So you can have a look at the drivers on the left side. Hong Kong is most of us, we are migrants. So this city you can see many high-rise, many buildings, so many people, many buildings. But you cannot imagine that this is a new city, a young city, only 35 years. So before 1980, it's nothing here, only Bahai Kubo. 35 years ago, Bangit, Valana Pera here. Only farming land, only fishing village. In 1980, 45 years ago, how many people? 30,000. A small village. But now, how many people in Shenzhen? 18 million. 18 million Miami people now, and we become a big modern city, and we have more people, 18 million, and the size of this land is bigger than Hong Kong, twice bigger, double size of Hong Kong. So Hong Kong is only 7.5 million, but Shenzhen is 18 million. So what does that mean? That means most of us, 95% the people in Shenzhen, like Ling Ling, like the driver, we are all migrants. We came from inland China. I came from southwest. People come because China is so big, diba? Where are you now? In Shenzhen. And then Shenzhen is in the southmost China, in Canton province, south. And then we have Middle China, West China, North China, big China. And then many of them move to Shenzhen. For what? Migrants, they like to come to Shenzhen because Shenzhen, and the tourists like to go up to the top, and then they will enjoy a panoramic view of the Shenzhen and Hong Kong. So it's a beautiful view for the iconic building. So because I feel it's foggy, you can just turn on the fan. Do you feel warm, diba? Turn on the fan overhead. You will feel cooler. Just like this, you turn on the Another is the Mandarin Chinese. Here we speak Mandarin Chinese. We don't speak Cantonese. Another different is the money. You know that in Hong Kong is using Hong Kong dollars, diba? But when you come here, we need Chinese yuan, China money, Chinese yuan. And then, how to say, in Shenzhen, not only Shenzhen, in mainland, most of the cities in China, we are become more and more cashless because the people using mobile payment. And it's like GCash, but we're not using GCash. It's an app like GCash. We use Alipay or WeChat Pay. WeChat Pay. Everywhere is, when you're buying something, everywhere is the code. As you do use the phone, scan the code. Even you enter the parking lot, no people inside to collect your parking fee. Only a code there. And then the driver have to scan the code. The money will transfer to them. So that's why everywhere, sometimes if you go to the market, maybe sometimes you happen to encounter the beggars. And then you know the interesting thing is they don't show you a box to asking for money. The local beggars, they show you a QR code. Because they know that the locals, they don't bring cash. They only bill us, they bring the cell phone only. And then they ask, okay, sige na lang, you can use the Alipay, you can use the WeChat Pay, and then they show you a code. And even on the street, you see some street singer, the street singers on the street. They just put a QR code in front of them. They have no box in front of them, only a code. And then we have totally different app here. Do you know that we do not access to Facebook? We do not access to. We cannot access to Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Balana, and then the locals, Chinese. All of us, only one app we using. This is a super app. What is the name? Can you tell me? WeChat. Balana WhatsApp here. Balana Facebook. Balana Instagram. And then WhatsApp, messengers, So what we using? WeChat. Because WeChat is a super app. This super app, when we shopping, we use WeChat Pay. Subway. So that's why our life, everyone is based on WeChat. So without WeChat, we cannot survive in China, because everyone using WeChat. So if you stay in China, if you in the future live in China, work in China, everyone have to download WeChat. That's why everyone here using WeChat, Weixin. And then the owners of WeChat is based in Shenzhen. And then that is the reason Shenzhen is Miami Para city, rich city. Because it's a new city, and then we have many tech companies here. Shenzhen is relying on, we are relying on the manufacturing industry many years ago. So about 40 years ago, everywhere you see factories. Factories of shoes, bags, toys, electronics. And then we have Miami migrants, all workers. But after 20 years later, Shenzhen become rich. And then the government of Shenzhen, we focus for develop the high tech. So that's why we have WeChat, WeChat company. Another big company is based in Shenzhen. We guess most of you hear about this name. It's Huawei. Huawei. Huawei cell Huawei, this is a big companies, a big tech companies in China, and they base in Shenzhen. They base here, and we have many big tech companies. That is the reason these cities develop so fast, and you cannot match that. You see all the drones, the unmanned aircraft, and then sometimes in a shopping mall, in the park, they have this kind of lockers, and then the drone can land on the top, the roof of the lockers, and then you just need to wait for 15 minutes. 1-5. It's very convenient. And then, okay, this is a beautiful place. Now we arrived at the overseas Chinese town. This is the tourist areas in Shenzhen. And then we will bring you, because most of us is the first time in Shenzhen, in China. We office. This kind of visa is a group visa. So they require every one of us later. So we will help you do some picture check. So if you need toilet, you can go later. So this is the beautiful place. It's called Splendid China. We are going to stop here. Program is in this afternoon, diba? So let's save time here. Let's organize. Stay with Ling Ling. I will say Bila Bila, solo pictures. And then quickly, let's have the good photos. Maybe if some of you happens to been to Shenzhen before, if some of you tell me, Ling Ling, I have taken these pictures before, I don't need lah. But no lah, because today you come with a new.
Picture lang ko day. Mga stolen shot. Take photo with us. Ken.
Yung ano na sumayad na mabasa. Okay. Umbrella close one. Wait, by the way. Now my time is okay. 10 o'clock now. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, babalik to the bus. Okay?
CR, mag-CR tayo. Ay, mag-picture dito. Mapicture si CR.
Come here, let's stay at the bus.
Lipantaw ko.
Sa elephant pala.
Solo ko, solo ka.
And then we'll go to the toilet. I will show you the way. How about do you want to go to the toilet? Okay. Okay. We'll go to the toilet from here. I'll stay with Ling Ling. I will show you the way. Yes. Would you like to go to the washroom?
Lakas ng ulan.